Good morning, first graders. Today is Thursday, April 23rd, 2020. Let's go ahead and start our day with the kindness pledge. I pledge to myself on this very day to try to be kind in every way. To every person, big or small, I will help them if they fall. When I love myself and others too, that is the best that I can do. Friends, just a couple quick things this morning about your animal research. I've been looking at your forms that you've been doing, if you've been doing the editable form online, and I'm going to start making some comments back to you, especially if you need to include some more details in those. So you might get a message from me on Friday or even over the weekend, and maybe you'll see it on Monday before we get into next week's e-learning. And I'm going to be letting you know if you need to add some more details to your research form. And again, I'm talking about this form right here, okay? So, for example, when I'm talking about adding details, so you're talking about your animal's appearance. If your animal has fur, some friends are just writing has fur. But I'm wanting you to make sure that you have some details with that. So tell me what that fur looks like. Like, what color is it? Is it an animal that has spotted fur? Is it an animal that has striped fur? So adding those kind of details in there is going to be really important, especially as we move into e-learning next week. I'm going to go ahead and show you, just give you a sneak peek of something we're going to be doing in e-learning next week. All right. You're going to be taking all of those research notes that you have been writing, and you are going to write a draft of an animal research paper. So you're going to be taking all the notes that you wrote about your animal's appearance. See how it says appearance here at the top as a heading? And you're going to use these lines to write about it, okay? So you can see there's lots of lines here, because I'm wanting you to tell me lots of details about your animal's appearance. So, teeth, fur covering. Does your animal have any special body features that help it to get its food? These are all really good details that you can include in the appearance. So the more details that you get this week on your note-taking sheet, the easier it's going to be for you next week when you start writing your draft, okay? So you have today, you have tomorrow to work on your note-taking sheet. You'll start getting some feedback from me over the weekend, especially if you need to get some more details on that. That can be something that you can do on your flex day on Monday. I hope that everybody has a great day today of e-learning. And as always, reach out and ask me if you have any questions. I have open office hours. You can FaceTime me and let me know how I can help you with your research. All right, friends, make it a great day and click the next slide to do the pledge with Mr. A.